Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true icon of American automotive history, the 1970 Chevrolet Impala. Known for its bold styling, powerful performance, and luxurious ride, the Impala is a standout classic that defined an era. Let's dive in. The 1970 Chevrolet Impala made a statement with its long, sleek body and distinctive lines. The wide grille, dual headlights, and subtle chrome accents gave it an air of sophistication, while its large, powerful stance embodied the spirit of American muscle. Whether as a coupe, sedan, or convertible, the Impala turned heads wherever it went. Under the hood, the 1970 Impala offered an impressive range of engines. From the reliable inline-six to the robust 454 cubic inch V8, this car was built for both comfort and performance. The SS package added even more excitement with sporty touches and upgraded power options, making the Impala a force to be reckoned with on the road. Inside, the Impala provided a spacious and comfortable cabin with plush seating, wood grain accents, and an optional premium sound system. It was the perfect blend of luxury and practicality, appealing to families and enthusiasts alike. The 1970 Chevrolet Impala remains a favorite among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Its combination of timeless design, strong performance, and cultural significance makes it a true American classic. Whether cruising down the highway or on display at a car show, the Impala continues to capture hearts and imaginations. Thank you for tuning in to Auto Trend. If you enjoyed today's feature, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car stories. See you in the next episode.